Where did the numbers come from? Explaining the math behind God's design. People keep asking, where did these numbers come from? So let's break it down once and for all. This isn't opinion. This isn't speculation. These are mathematical, scientific facts that even atheists can't ignore. Let's start with the basics. Probability. 1 in 10,550. The impossibility of chance. The probability of a single functional protein forming by accident is 1 in 10,550. That's a 1 followed by 550 zeros. For reference, there are only about 1080 atoms in the entire known universe. The total number of events in cosmic history, every interaction of every particle, is estimated around 10,120. So even if the universe had every atom trying to form a functional protein every single second since the beginning of time, it still wouldn't happen. That's not chance, that's mathematical impossibility. Quantum physics, the observer effect. Atheists say science disproves God, but quantum physics says otherwise. The observer effect in quantum mechanics proves that reality needs a conscious observer to exist. This means the universe wasn't just sitting there waiting for life to randomly pop up. It needed a mind to observe it into being. So when Genesis 1:1 says in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth, even physics backs it up. Infinity is impossible, time had a beginning. Atheists love to claim that the universe is eternal or infinite. But mathematically, an infinite past is impossible because you could never reach now. Time had to have a starting point. Stephen Hawking himself said the universe had a beginning. He just didn't want to admit who started it. Fine-tuning. The universe is too precise to be an accident. Science admits that the gravitational constant, the cosmological constant, and the strong nuclear force are so precise that a single decimal change would mean no stars, no planets, no life, no youth. This isn't random, this is by design. Science admits design, but some deny the designer. The same scientists who say the universe is fine-tuned also try to avoid the obvious conclusion. If it's fine-tuned, there must be a tuner. Romans 1:20, for since the creation of the world, God's invisible qualities, his eternal power and divine nature, have been clearly seen, being understood from what has been made, so that people are without excuse. Conclusion, follow the science. Science says God was here first. People say follow the science, but science itself proves this universe was created, designed and sustained by intelligence. You can deny it, mock it, or ignore it, but the numbers don't lie, and God gets the last laugh. Watch the full breakdown on TikTok Live.